how to change device name in Mac. If you're using MacBook Air, MacBook Pro or iMac, the steps are going to be same. Now currently you can see the name of this particular Mac is karmatech, and if I want to change this particular Mac name, then the very first step I have to do is I have to go in system settings. You can find it in dock, or else you can go and click on Apple logo and then system settings. Once you open system settings, on the right hand side you have to scroll down and you have to look for users and groups. Once you open users and groups, you will get the details related to that. Now currently you can see, as I told you, my Mac name is karmatech. Now if I want to change this particular name, all I have to do is I have to right click on this particular option, and once I do that, there is a pop-up message. You have to click on advanced option. Then again there will be a pop-up window. You have to enter your Mac passcode and then click on unlock. Now you get a screen like this. In that particular screen you can see the name is karmatech and the full name of this PC currently is karmatech. Now if I want to change it to something else, let's say if I want to change it to karmatech Macbook, I have changed it, and once you rename your Mac, all you have to do is you have to click on OK option. Now at the start it was karmatech and currently it is karmatech MacBook Air. You can just simply go on Apple logo and lock your screen, and now you can see the name is karmatech MacBook Air. You can enter the password or passcode to unlock your Mac. So guys, these are the simple steps you have to follow in order to change the device name or your Mac name. If you find this video informative, don't forget to subscribe. I will see you all in the next one. Thank you.